Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo. I am back in Walmart and they've put out even more Christmas. You know what that means. Let's go shopping. So last time we were in, they had not put out all of the goodness. So we're just going to go through. I'm going to show you guys everything I am finding. There is so much. I'm just going to hit what we haven't seen in the last videos, so be sure to check those out. I will have them linked below for you. So this collection is actually red and blue, and it is definitely a farmhouse collection. This is the wreath for it, and it is priced right under $30 in the red velvet with a little bit of blue check. Have some new reindeer pieces. It's a DIY. It is just under $4, and then they have some ceramic tabletop pieces for $5 in Mary. They are also putting together some tabletop decor in a farmhouse theme for $16 in a barn and a silo. They have some really cute little tabletop trees. I love these. They look like they are wood in the container, but ceramic for $7. They also have a few little puppies and goats and cows, everything farmhouse, some gnomes included, and these small wooden trees that I think are gorgeous for just under $4. They also have some tabletop lanterns, some blue votives, and then a really pretty Merry Christmas sign for $13. And then down below they have a really pretty wooden stacked snowman for just under $10. The candles in the wood, and then we're moving on to this sort of, I guess this is more of lodgy type of decor. Next is Scandinavian, which is gorgeous, but these are $10, and then $8 for the wooden trees. Pretty good size. They are definitely well done. They are wooden, probably close to 9 inches tall. Up top they have a beautiful sign for $15 in Wanted Santa Claus. Super cute little wooden framed piece. Can't beat that price. Now, last time we were in, they did not have the little snowman decor. They had these. I didn't give you guys a good enough look at them. Definitely more of a vintage vibe on those. They also didn't have these, which are little tabletop trees with the real look of pine, and those are actually $15.97 a piece. And next to those, they've got some beautiful Scandinavian decor. So they've got the mistletoe sign. They've got this real look and feel swag for $13. They have a beautiful berry wreath for this one. It's again, all the wreaths are going to be right at $30. I do think that they stepped up their game in their wreath department this year. I showed you guys that in the fall decor as well. Now they brought back the gingerbread houses from last year. Those both were out last year for $10. They also have this piece. It's a little overpriced. It's $25. It is woven basket piece. Down here they have a new little light up LED tabletop snowflake and let it snow. That one's $8. This is interesting. They're doing this more and more where they're putting together a few pieces. So this one's right at $13 and you get a few pieces for mantle decor. They did not have the reindeer out last time. This time they do, and they are in 2 sizes. They also have a gnome Santa and this Mama Jamma Christmas tree. It is quite tall. I think it's taller than all of the Santas. It does have the word Noel on it and a beaded base, and you can't beat the price. I believe that one was right at like $13, $14. Over here they have some fun little LED tea lights that are little peppermints, and of course a snowman countdown. They also have these stop signs for $2.50, and this piece, it is gorgeous. It is super heavy. So the frame looks wood, it is metal, and then the center is 10 in the red snowflake in the gloss, and that's $17. They also have this painted elf style bucket and a laying gnome next to that. Then over here they have some new tabletop trees. Those are super cute for $3.50. They come in the green as well as the red. They have the snowflake. Up here, a new little character. I don't know what that's supposed to be, but a beautiful reindeer with a sweater on for $15. And I love that ceramic tree that does have an LED candle in it. That one is $12.50. But over here, I wanted to show you guys that they have a large Merry Christmas Santa piece for $15. And down here, more little goodies. They've got some new wooden bells. Those are are actually $10. They are 2 bells just strung together in the wood. Those are really Scandinavian, super cute. Then down below they've got a few new items. This sign for $8, and next to that a little house they had these years back. Remember those guys? Those are $7. They have a little Mary sign, as well as this naughty and nice tag for $4, a ceramic tree for $6, and then a little garland with cocoa cups for $10. This luminary lantern ceramic piece is $22. It is absolutely gorgeous. This is something that can be used year round. They also brought out this little guy, which is kind of fun. He's a little gnome, I think intended to be tabletop decor, but I think he could be a tree topper as well. He's $11 with his little fur outfit on, and they have these reindeer. Oh my goodness. So these are more of a wood tone than the gold ones, and so they've got this guy standing. His antlers are absolutely stunning. $19 for him, and then they also have the sitting version for $16. Beautiful pair of reindeer. So if you're not into the gold, you may want to check these out. And can I tell you, they outdid themselves. They have a lantern with this collection that is stunning. It is wooden, super duper heavy, so it is $30. Understandable. It's a large piece, probably one of the largest in the whole Christmas decor that they're putting out, and beautiful. They also have a white berry wreath. This one again, $30 for that. I like the amount of berries. I think it's really well done. They are actually moving a few of the church items we saw in the nativity section over here. So this is a $6 little church. They also have a wooden tag piece for $6, and this tray super heavy. So it's definitely like a painted metal for $20 with the antlers as the handles. Now they also have a new house in those ceramic adobe style. This one here, we saw the other two last time we were in. A new wooden tree for $10, and this little cottage, so cute, for $7. Next to that they have a tabletop tree, this one in a wood outline, and then the ceramic does pop out for $10. And I love those candles. But up here they've got some metal trees, so these are very rustic, lodgy, so those are $10 and $7. In the black collection, there's a few new pieces. They have this wreath in joy with some very realistic greenery on it. Super pretty, very modern, kind of sparse, and just a few little beads on that one. They also have a new ho 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 sign that is super minimal, kind of modern, for $7 in the metal. They're putting out some really pretty toy soldiers, nutcrackers. They're flocked or velvet. Some new little trees for $1.50, and these are so similar to the ones that Target Dollar Spot put out. They are planterns, so these are $7. They've got it in the taller version as well as the shorter version. I couldn't figure out, I think that the taller one's probably $7. Now they also have some tabletop signs in some minimal looks. These are $6 a piece, $5.50. And then over here we're going to get into all of the retro and sort of vintage pastel colors. They did a pom-pom wreath for this collection. It's $30. Lots of tabletop pieces. This tree in $7, and then they also did the flocked or velvet toy soldiers in this collection in the red, pink, and blue. They have a few hanging ho 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 ornaments, and those are in teal, pink, as well as red. They have this massive Santa's boot for $10. It is so cute. I do wish they did one in maybe black as well as red. They have some ceramic trees. Those are red, white, and green, perfect for Christmas, and some felted houses. These are interesting. $10 and $7. Next to those they have these that are a ceramic style set of houses, and then this ho 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 sign that is $11. It is a marquee sign. It does light up. I think this is super cute. I love that it has an on off switch, and I think this would be great for a children's area. They also have some trees. These are just little velvet style trees for under $5. And next to those they have some really fun minimal, sort of like a peach, I think it was supposed to be pink, felted or flocked Santas. They also have this countdown in the little nutcracker. I think that is super cute. And this piece that is gorgeous. Now this is not my style, but I think it's so well done. So it is $17. It's pretty well made, like heavy plastic and metal combined of stacked presents. I love the color combination that they went with the red, pink, as well as the blue. That goes with all of their signs. This one in Mary for $9. They've got this one for $9 in Fa La La La, as well as a large oversized ornament for $8. And then they've got these little cuties. These remind me of like little snow woman showgirls or something in their little furry outfits. Those are $5. Super cute. They've also got some trees. These are sort of like a fabric rope covered in the bright pink as well as the turquoise. Those are $10 a piece. They're not the biggest height-wise, so just giving you heads up. They also have this little nutcracker. Love the color combination on this. So cute. This is definitely more of a retro or vintage color combo. That guy is $10. And then do you see what I see? I see some glow molds or blow molds. I'm not sure which one they're actually called, but they have it in the church. And you guys know we saw the gingerbread house last time we were in. Well, it turns out they do have a gingerbread man. $34 for him. I haven't seen a girl, but I definitely think that he is a cutie to go along with that house. Now, a few new things hitting the shelves and then all the gingerbread houses. These are $20 signs. People were stopping and oohing and awing at these. They are huge, quite tall. They have toy soldiers in 2 color combinations, the more traditional in red and green, and then the more colorful. It also comes in a Santa, in a Believe, a Welcome, and a snowman with Welcome on him. And speaking of Santas, for $20 they have any kind of styled Santa you could want, and this one definitely stuck out to me. This is kind of what I would say is maybe a California style Santa. He's got on his flip-flops, his bucket, he's ready for the beach, but they have every kind of Santa you can imagine. And now it's time for all the gingerbread goodness. Now, there are a few other things I want to point out to you guys. They're putting out these huge, massive bottle brush trees. So they come in white, gold, and pink. So far, they might come in more colors. They're $35. You get 2. They're massive. Over here, there are some new things hitting the shelves. I want to show you guys some beautiful signs, some baskets, the gifts that they put out usually in the garden section, but these bells are what I want to show you. They've got bells for $5 and $10. So the larger ones are a set of 4 for $10, or you can get these that are still really good size. These are jingle bells, and those are just 5. So for $10, you get this. This is a great buy. So I do think that they could have done better on maybe the rope, but they're gorgeous, and you can't beat that price. 4 bells for $10. Down here for $20, they have this 30, almost 2-inch wood Christmas tree. It's just kind of like a T. You just kind of fit it together. That's the same deal with this one. It's a little more modern. This one is $17, just under, in black. They also have the wooden reindeer planters in 2 sizes, 27 and 36. They also have a standing snowman, and then this 6-foot tall Santa in his jammies with his coffee or cocoa, and that's $100. This is also interesting. So this is $37. It is a wooden reindeer. This is the larger of the two. I actually looked and found way up on top for $20. They had another one with a green scarf. These Santa's boots that are ceramic for just under $30, $29, are gorgeous in the black. They brought back those large oversized tins, and then they do have some lanterns starting to hit the shelves, as well as some oversized pieces for $25. So this is an LED. This is the smaller of the two, and it's $18. I couldn't see the price on the other. They haven't quite brought those down to where I can reach them. There are a couple new things over in the vintage section. We didn't see these books the last time we were in, so they brought these out in 2 versions for $7. They also have Santa riding his bike, and I think they had that last year, but this year, oh my goodness, they are doing these large toy soldiers as well as Santas for $26. They are that velvety sort of flocked material. The toy soldier or nutcracker is quite a bit taller than the Santa. I did see them at another Walmart in red, so red, white, and green. Of course, they've got Santa for $100 that'll put on a little dance for you, the Grinch for $59, and then a few framed pieces that I thought I would share with you guys, because look at the one on the lower left. That Santa for $15 is a great deal. I hope you guys enjoyed coming with me to Walmart. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of the fun, and I'll see you back very soon.